course, for us this morning, we're dealing with that dense fog advisory, so that could be affecting your commute as you head out this morning. But if you have travel plans, this winter weather could be affecting you for other portions of the country. We have wind chill advisories in the light blue and the purple winter weather advisories in the pink winter storm warnings. I want to zoom into Atlanta. I don't know if you remember, but a couple years ago, Atlanta got some winter weather and it shut the city down. They are under that winter storm warning from 4 p.m. today until tomorrow. This is what's going on. A southern dip in the jet stream way farther south than it normally is bringing winter weather to places that don't see it a lot. So if you've got travel plans going through Atlanta later today, keep that in mind. Your flights could be in trouble.